So rather than adding assignments to every individual student, I found a way to where you can add the same assignment to a group of students, which then makes the organization of it a little bit easier. So if you are in your class, not in a specific student, but I'm just in Mrs. Higgins' class, and I go to Assignfocus, I would go ahead and I would add an assignment, just like we would do if we were in an individual student. So I'm going to go long term. I'm going to go 9 weeks because I'm focusing on my tier 2 kids. For her, since she's first grade, I'm going to drop down to kindergarten standards. I'm going to look at number and operations in base 10. And I'm going to do the entire cluster, which is work with numbers 11 to 19. So once I choose those options, when you go below, it will group students. So you can see which students have not started this cluster, which students are in progress, and which students are proficient. So for me, knowing that for my tier 2 kids, I want to add this cluster for them, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to make sure that the students that I want working in this cluster are checked off. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the assignment. And what it will do is it will add it for all of those students at one time, but also when you're in your Assignfocus history, rather than having a ton of separate assignments, it will now group the students that are all working on the same assignment together, which makes it a little bit easier to manage when you're checking your data every week.